buybacks, burns, all the good things that we like to see in a meme coin. Babybonk is no stranger to giving us what we want, and the chart is a beautiful reflection of that. Seeing just getting started on the fresh Monday of the week, as we can see, the long-term chart with a project like Babybonk that's been around since late 23 is already on its way back up significantly, moving at a pretty quick rate, in my opinion, climbing back to that all-time highs. Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jazz Royce. Do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you're new here. And if you're just tuning in to stop by and showing love to Babybonk, do me a favor and smash that thumbs up button. And also let me know what you think about this project in the comments below. Thanks for being here, guys. Let's get right into this, guys. So here we are right now, sitting at a 17 million market cap, just shy of that. With 9 months in of being a project, I have this zoomed out on the 1 day chart. Okay, I am not trying to make the chart look impressive by, oh, but look at the last buys in the 5-minute chart. Screw that. We're looking at the 1 day chart, 24 hours a piece. This is how this project is looking for a BSC project. I personally have not dabbled with BSC projects like that, but I have to tell you, been working with this project on and off throughout the entire year. And each time, regardless, even when things have been stagnant, look at the time throughout the summer where things have been kind of stagnant from the team when they were cooking in the background. People were holding their positions all the way here from July the 5th up until the breakout, the slow and steady breakout of mid-September. From July to mid-September, it has been holding this type of line. And I got to tell you, for a meme coin, that is not normal. Okay, this is definitely out of the ordinary, and I'm not saying that it's to be extra hype and nothing. That I've kind of grew past all of that stuff with memes, but just observing from what I'm seeing thus far, this is looking very good. I mean, we've been holding almost 3 months of stability. We never broke past, right? We never broke down below the support levels. And here we are gradually climbing. We've been climbing since mid-September. It is now mid-October, 4 weeks total, just nothing but upwards trend. Let's go back really quick on the X account. Let's look at what these guys have going on. So the most recent news from them is that over the weekend, they got 9.7 BNB in taxes, which they used to buy back and burn roughly 140 trillion worth of Babybonk tokens, with the proof right there. And just 4 days prior, yes, it was a random spontaneous buyback and burn event just to celebrate how good the team has been building throughout the entire cycle. I'm going to be honest with you, to see a project, you know, and this is not even the original bunk. This is the Babybonk. To be holding like this, I have to admit, man, the potential is looking pretty solid. Of course, you know, don't take my words for granted. Links are in the description below. Do your own due diligence, like I always urge in every video that we make here. But let's look, guys. 1.7 million in liquidity, just shy of 2 million, almost 30,000 holders, 880,000 holders on the dime, with 24-hour DeFi volume of over 55K. And at the time of this recording, it is still early afternoon on Monday. Although you're probably watching this in the evening and nighttime, fresh after work. Still, this is looking insane. All right. I'm definitely feeling bullish about how this project is looking. I think that seeing this growth spurt right here, this initial run up to all-time highs, once we saw it trace back, remember, this is in March. So this literally is following the trajectory of all the other projects prior to it, right? You know, it shot up really high with BTC and ETH. It went down, and a lot of projects, when they came down in this time frame between spring and up until summer, a lot of projects died and never came back to life between this time period. Look at what Babybonk did. Babybonk did fall and break a little bit below these initial key support levels we were looking at here, but it didn't dip that low. It caught itself right here. When you're looking at the line of it's consolidating this way, it's still trading at higher lows than we were seeing just before that run that took place here in March. That alone is a pattern that you have to pay attention to, because look at where it's taking off at now. Okay. So the proof is in the pudding, guys. With that being said, folks, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I'm Jazz Royce. I am very excited to see what happens with these guys next week. I mean, just right over here, more marketing campaigns being done, more banners being rolling out throughout China. They're going global wide with their advertising for Babybonk. It is no surprise that we are seeing what these guys are doing. We're seeing where they're putting their marketing money to, and we're seeing how it's benefiting the chart directly. Right now in this certain predicament, especially since we are in the beginning of October, as we're seeing the space is already picking up quite fast just on the beginning of this Monday, looking very bullish. With that being said, folks, I will catch each and every one of you guys at the top.